Hey guys, so my truck doesn't want to start for a while, like it's just out of fuel, and we check all the wiring, stuff like that, and this little relay that's just on there, on that orange tab, yeah, it's giving me a pain, but I'm quite happy. This is the culprit. Yeah, clear. Yeah. So apparently there's a relay for the spill valve, and she's running. Turn it off again and make sure it starts. So happy, man. Look at that. My dad even created a wire to make sure that I have ground from the battery, stuff like that. We tested out all the wirings from the injection pump. They're all good, and yeah, it's just given me grief, but other than that, we are both happy. We have learned something. Hey Dad. Cool, we're going for a test drive and hopefully it's the one.